We went to the feed store today and we came out with
a donkey.
with 20 chicks. They're so cute. I don't know what's wrong with that one. It won't move. But the rest are over there walking around.
What red ones?
A red star, bark rock,
And then a
white leghorn,
and bardock.
So we got the chickens and then we forgot to get bedding. So that's why there is grass clippings in there, because we have nothing else to put in there. But they'll only be in here for a little bit. They already are, they're a month old and a little bit older than a month, and they have all their wings. So we'll leave them in there for a little bit and then we'll start transitioning them outside and then to the coop with the other chickens. We'll transition them slowly though, because they might get hurt if we do it too fast. Today we are moving the chicks that we bought not that long ago. They are getting moved to outside. We had them in the garage in our shop for about a week and a half. We've had a lot of storms and hail and all that, and we didn't want to risk bringing them out too soon and dying. So we're gonna take them out today, and then we are gonna still leave them in the chicken tractor for quite a bit of time, maybe 2-3 weeks, while our other hens get used to them, because we don't want them to peck them to death. We are, well, Ricky is cutting up this box so that we can put it as a floor for the kennel, so that we can start putting the birds in there, so we can, the birds that are in there, so we can transport them to a temporary location while we move the chicken tractor out of the garage. Okay, we got all the chickens moved to their new location. We are just taking water to them, some water. I'm gonna go show y'all where we moved the chickens. It is hot out here, y'all. Hot. So hot. Yeah. This view. Goodness, this view. Look at that. Look at that. So in love with this view, even though we are in a heat advisory. It is hot and humid, but the view, the trees, all the greenery around us is just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. What are you looking for? Oh. This is where we had our meat chickens. Gotta get this stuff a little bit more organized in a little bit, but this heat is killing us, guys. Just come out here, do what's necessary, and go back in. Alright, here are the 22 chickens we got. I ended up going back to the store and buying 2 black copper Marans. Alright, so like I said, they will be here for about 2 weeks until they can fend for themselves with our other chickens. And we're going to slowly incorporate them. Our coop is right there. So, our goal with this is having the other chickens smell them, sniff them, get used to them before we let these out and just go in the coop with them. Here we have their food. There's Coco.
Water?
Yeah. Did you pour any in there yet? They're empty. Okay. Finish getting this situated and then I'll show y'all a little bit more things. He's enjoying this hot summer day. He loves this. He's loved this ever since he was a puppy. Here's our sheep. So,
What's up?
what are you thinking about?
Not a whole lot. Just
Very-
enough to keep my brain working.
Very, very warm today.
You say it's warm or it's humid?
I don't know.
They both suck.
Yeah. So sweaty. So I'm sweaty.
That's the way I like it. It's like we're in a sauna.
It is. A free sauna. That's good, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so we moved the chickens. Everything has water. The sheep have water.
When do we need to move him?
Sooner rather than later. Because he's what, 2 months? Two or 3 months.
April. It was Good Friday.
April, so May, June. So he's, yeah, so maybe next month we can move him. And I feel like we need to get another one so he has someone to be with.
Yeah, another where?
A ewe, because then we can move both rams, the daddy and the baby, together. And then we can get another ewe to be friends with mama sheep.
What if they don't like each other?
They're gonna like each other.
What if their personalities just don't?
It's gonna be fine. Ready?
Yeah, Rocco's over there in the water.
He's over there in the pond. Where's the pond? There. Yeah? No, the pond is not that way. It's like this way.
That's that way.
It's over there
Our dog's in
somewhere.
the pond. He's relaxing.
Just hanging out under the tree.
He's sweating a lot.
Yeah, it's very... Did you get wet?
A little bit, but this was all pretty much
Sweat?
sweat.
Well, does that count as a workout?
No.
No? Oh, I feel like it does.
No.
Ready? Off we go. There's so many things that I want to show y'all that we're doing, but I'm like, I don't have enough hands. I gotta hold the camera, make sure the angle's perfect. I need to get like a little tripod extension, because the one I have right now is only is handheld. So also, I don't know how long. Okay, sorry, but you see our sheep, he's still nursing. Like, is he too big to be nursing? Let me know in the comments if I should definitely get him out of here. He is 2 months old, right? Yeah, we just went over that. Yeah, he's 2 months old, so I don't know. I should probably Google that. I'm gonna Google that when I go inside, because maybe he shouldn't still be nursing. I don't know. Is he coming to give me a ride? We'll see. Come on, Rocco. Come on. Come on. He might be.
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on.
Alright guys, that is it for today. We got the chicks moved outside, hanging out with the other chicks, sniffing each other. Definitely not in the same area, but they are hanging out. Checked on everything's water, organized a little bit, and we are going to shower because it is hot, and I'm drenched in sweat. So that's it for today. Till next time, bye.